Today we're looking at the HP ZBook 8 G1i, a 14-inch mobile workstation PC featuring the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. Inside the box you'll get the HP ZBook 8 G1i, a 140-watt USB-C charger and some documentation. This model features a 14-inch display with resolution options ranging from WUXGA to 2.5K depending on the variant. It's powered by Ultra 7 processor that has 16-core hybrid chip with Intel's NPU optimized for AI workloads. Graphics are handled by entry-level NVIDIA RTX 500 Ada GPU, which is fine for most 2D workloads and light 3D rendering, limited for heavy 3D rendering or large-scale simulations. And this is the only discrete GPU you can configure on ZBook 8 G1i. Okay, let's see what ports it has. On the left side of the laptop there are one HDMI, two USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 4, a combo audio jack and an optional Smartcard reader. And on the right side, one USB Type-C, one USB Type-A, one LAN port and optional nano SIM card slot. Compared to the HP ZBook Ultra G1a, the ZBook 8 G1i variant has better thermal management and supports higher wattage GPUs, making it better suited for sustained workloads. However, the Ultra G1a is thinner, lighter and more portable, ideal for those prioritizing mobility over raw power. What I like is that the ZBook 8 G1i lid opens to around 174 degrees, which offers more flexibility compared to the ZBook Ultra G1a, whose hinge opens only up to about 135 degrees. The HP ZBook 8 G1i is powerful, portable, and AI ready. Everything a modern creator or engineer needs. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pro tech content.